Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. If you're a newbie here, I am Nick. I run a YouTube channel for the last 2 years called Ohio Valley Couponer. Now, through these 2 years, as you can tell, my channel's not enormous or anything like that, but I'm pretty proud of where it has come over the last 2 years. But there are a lot of mistakes I have made with YouTube, like a ton. So we're going to go through 6 different points today, 6 things I wish I would have known when I started YouTube a little over 2 years ago. So let's just dive right in. First up, find your thing and stick to it. Don't spread yourself out doing every single thing. That will make you miserable. That is what I did when I first started. When I started, I spent so much time. I'm a couponing channel, so I tell everyone deals that they can get at the store. I did tons, like probably 10 or 12 stores a week. That was ridiculous. There was no reason I ever did that much. I was doing all these matchups, and I realized the only 2 stores that truly were getting a lot of views were Walmart and Kroger. So I decided at that point I'm going to channel all my energy and do it for Walmart and Kroger, and that's when the views just kept getting better and better. I was able to do more content, more than 1 video a week on Walmart and Kroger, and people loved that. And that's really, if you're doing this for monetization, you want to find the videos that truly are going to get you the most views. And Walmart and Kroger is truly what's done that. So I don't really spread myself doing a bunch of other stores and a bunch of extra work. I'll do other videos here and there, but I stick within the elements of Walmart and Kroger. Number 2, hate comments are real. They are so incredibly real. At first, I didn't think I'd get them, but I get lots of hate comments from people. I've had people call me names. I've had people just say cruel things and come on my channel trying to promote their own platforms and stuff, and that's really hurtful. But that flows into point number 3. Who cares, because you still got a view. The thing with Google AdSense, which is the monetization program we're with, is that if they click on it and see an ad, you get paid for that ad. So if someone is on your channel, they just want to put a thumbs down to be mean, or they want to type a hate comment, really who cares, because they still watched an ad to get you a view. So who really cares what rude comments they left? We still got the credit for them coming. So who cares? Like, seriously, who really cares what they want, what they say? Number 4 is really important. Develop a video schedule and stick to it. Your viewers need to know what to expect from you. So are you going to post once a week? You're going to post 3 times a week? Me, I try to have something up every single day. And you guys know what my schedule is going to be. You know Mondays is going to be coupon chat. You know Tuesdays is going to be, Tuesdays is going to be a haul. Wednesdays is going to be Kroger videos. Thursday is going to be the Kroger weekend sale alert. Friday is going to be a Walmart haul. Saturday is going to be, the Kroger ad preview. And Sunday we'll talk about new printable coupons. That's how it is. That's like what we've done. So, yeah. Have a schedule. Because people want to know what you're going to do, and they want to know what to expect from you. So that's the number 1 thing I'd recommend. Get a schedule and stick to it. Number 5 is one that I have really struggled with, but I've come to grips with it, and I'm understanding it now more and more. Don't let new competitor channels freak you out. Don't let it upset you. Don't get scared that everyone's going to leave your channel and go watch the other person. That's not the case. Your people have come to watch you, and they're not just going to up and leave because someone else decided they were going to do it too. Maybe your viewers will just watch both of you. I don't know. But you're not going to lose everything because another person decided to start doing the same thing as you. When I first started YouTube, no one else did Kroger videos. Now, there's more who do Kroger videos on a weekly basis. Has it hurt me? I don't think it has. I'm still here. I'm still growing. I've still got viewers. I've still got comments. It's not really hurt me. But here's something Krista, my good friend Krista here on YouTube, Krista Coupon, said, you're still going to rank in the searches regardless, as long as you're like a, up-and-coming YouTuber and you got subscribers and everything, you're going to rank. And if you type in Kroger couponing, I'm the one who's going to show up. So, and that's how it is for a lot of you guys. If you've been doing this longer, you're going to rank more. The other person's not just going to come and take everything from you. So you're going to show up in the ranks. And something else I've noticed, your video, as long as you're tagging it right and doing the thumbnails, your tagging is the most important thing. You're tagging it. It's going to show up as a suggested video on that person's video. So there's still lots of ways people are going to find you. You don't have to worry about that at all. Finally, try new things, but if it doesn't work, try again. So recently, back in July, I tried a new video format for one of my Kroger videos. You guys legit hated it. My viewers hated it. And I asked for feedback. I asked for feedback from them to tell me what they thought about it. And that's important. Ask for feedback. Do metadata. Talk to your viewers. Get to know them. Interact with your viewers so that you can learn their opinions on what they think. That's something I've learned to do, is I take my viewers' opinions and I work with them. I never did that style video again because everyone legit hated it. So there was no reason to do it again. I found what to do after that, what to establish. Yeah, so that's really what I've done. So, love it. So, yeah, that's all that I have for this video. If you're a newbie YouTuber, I love helping newbies. I know there's a lot of couponing newbies who watch, and we've worked together, and we do those collab videos and everything. But that's why I'm here, because there are so many newbies who I wish you guys know these tips. Other things that, here's a couple little bonus tips. You guys probably know this. Do good thumbnails. Thumbnails are crucial. I didn't do thumbnails for months. I just whatever I decided to put up, that's what I did. No, do your thumbnails. Thumbnails are important. Answer your comments. Interact. Get on social media. That's another one. I have not always been so good about it, but I do have a Facebook and Instagram that I post on regularly. And just good ways to interact. And do the hashtags in YouTube videos. Lots of good things to do, but those really are the 6 things I really needed to know when I started. And now I've got a handle on it and I know it. So yep, that's all I have for now. And thank you all so much for watching.